Hello everyone, this is my review of the Heavenly Hunks peanut butter chocolate cookies. These cookies provides a combination of peanut butter and chocolate, which is a interesting treat if you like that combination. It comes in a resealable bag, great for maintaining its freshness, especially if you don't finish it all in one sitting. When it comes to the taste, these cookies deliver. The peanut butter flavor is rich and creamy, perfectly complemented by the smooth and melting chocolate chunks. The combination is indulgent and satisfying, making each a bit of a delight and an experience. In terms of the texture, the cookies are wonderful, chewy, and have just about the right crunch on the ends. These are a delight to eat, and I hope the